German Shepherds, a guide to teaching basic commands and obedience. German Shepherds are intelligent and loyal dogs, known for their versatility and ability to excel in various tasks. Whether you are a first-time dog owner or an experienced handler, teaching your German Shepherd basic commands and obedience is essential for building a strong bond and ensuring a well-behaved and happy companion. In this article, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to train your German Shepherd in basic commands and obedience. 1. Start with basic commands. The first step in teaching your German Shepherd basic commands is to start with the basics. Begin with simple commands such as sit, stay, lie down, and come. The key is to use positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and praise, to motivate your dog and make the training sessions enjoyable. To teach the sit command, hold a treat close to your dog's nose and slowly raise it above their head. As their nose follows the treat, their bottom will naturally lower into a sitting position. Once they are in a seated position, say the command sit and reward them with the treat. Repeat this process multiple times until your German Shepherd understands the command without the need for a treat. 2. Consistency is key. Consistency is vital when training a German Shepherd. Make sure to use the same commands and hand signals each time and reinforce them with rewards. Consistency will allow your dog to understand what is expected of them and prevent confusion. Set aside specific times each day for training sessions and keep them short and focused. Regular sessions, even if they are only 10 to 15 minutes long, will help reinforce the commands and establish a routine for your German Shepherd. 3. Use positive reinforcement. German Shepherds thrive on positive reinforcement and respond best to rewards and praise. When your dog obeys a command correctly, immediately reward them with treats and verbal praise. This positive reinforcement will strengthen their understanding of the command and motivate them to continue obeying. Avoid using punishment or harsh corrections, as they can be counterproductive and may damage the bond between you and your dog. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement and redirecting unwanted behavior towards more acceptable alternatives. 4. Incorporate training into daily life. Training your German Shepherd should not be confined to specific training sessions only. Incorporate training and commands into your daily routines and activities. For example, ask your dog to sit before feeding them or stay when opening the front door. This will reinforce their training and make their obedience more reliable in various situations. 5. Leash training and walking etiquette. Leash training is an essential part of teaching your German Shepherd obedience. Start by introducing your dog to a leash in a familiar and distraction-free environment. Allow them to explore the leash and get used to the sensation before gently guiding them on a short walk. Reward them with treats and praise when they walk beside you calmly without pulling. Additionally, teaching your German Shepherd walking etiquette is crucial. Teach them to walk on your side, not pulling or lagging behind. This will prevent accidents and make walks more enjoyable for both of you. 6. Socialization is essential. Socialization is vital for German Shepherds, as it helps them become well-rounded and confident dogs. Introduce your German Shepherd to various people, animals, and environments from an early age. This exposure will help them become comfortable and well-behaved in different situations, reducing the likelihood of fear or aggression. Enroll your German Shepherd in puppy classes or obedience training courses to provide them with structured socialization opportunities. These classes will also teach you valuable training techniques and ensure that your dog is properly socialized. In conclusion, teaching your German Shepherd basic commands and obedience is essential for a well-behaved and happy companion. By starting with basic commands, being consistent, using positive reinforcement, incorporating training into daily life, leash training, and ensuring proper socialization, you can establish a strong bond with your German Shepherd and enjoy a well-trained and obedient dog. Remember, patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement are the keys to successful training.